What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another portfolio update. Thank you so much for joining. In today's video, I'm going to go over the main stock account. I'm going to let you guys know the two stocks that I bought today, as well as the technicals on those. We'll look at updates on the current options plays, as well as the crypto portfolio and the little Robinhood as well. And then finishing off with stocks on my radar. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, as well as we're only 3 away from 200 subs, so make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss any updates. If you guys want my free options blueprint, which is everything I know about options downloaded from my brain to basically paper, just send me a message on DM. The link's in the description. Okay, so today we were flat once again. I feel like I've been saying that for about a week now. Up $200. Looking at the portfolio, these are my stocks from largest to smallest position sizing. Looking good on the Amazon today, up 1%. I think we're up about 2% because I added some shares at 175. So those batch of shares are looking good. As far as some other movers, Tesla down 1%. I'll be looking at some cash care puts soon for Tesla. Crowd down 1.5. They report earnings tomorrow after the bell, so I'm very excited for that. Palantir down 2%. Meta up 1.6%. And that was it, since IBIT is not in the portfolio anymore. As far as the two stocks that I bought today, we added to Shopify. We added $2,000 to Shopify and $7,000 to DraftKings. Just looking at the technicals on these, one thing I'm known for is for basically being patient and waiting for good technicals. It doesn't mean I'm going to hit the bottom every time, but it means I dollar cost average at advantageous entry points. So this is one that I consider an advantageous dollar cost average. Right here is Shopify. You can see we're getting that nice rounded bottom as we start to move upward again, up about 1% on the day. If we look down here, we get a nice MACD crossover, which is very bullish. We get the blue histogram right here, ticking positive, which is bullish. And we worked our way out of this 30 RSI very quickly. Does it mean it's the bottom? No, these are all just technical indicators. We're still below the 50 and the 200 day, which are those blue and red lines. But these are good buy points, in my opinion. Some people say it's still expensive, and that's fine. If it goes lower, I will add, but you just can't wait forever. And it's not a huge risk because you just nibble along as it goes lower and lower, but you wait for support in that nice flat or even rounded bottom like we're looking at right here. As far as the other stock I bought today, we're looking at DraftKings right here. So this could be a bit premature, but a couple things going for us is we have RSI under 30. We are below 50 in the 200-day moving averages. These both the indicators, the MACD and histogram, are not good as far as trending upwards, but I like to get bloody sometimes and catch falling knives. But since this is basically my first buy on this particular stock, what I like to do is go in what could be a little bit prematurely, because you're just starting that position. If I already had a big position built, I would be much more patient and wait for a little bit of confirmation of an uptrend. Such as Amazon, I have a nice sized position in Amazon. It comes down, you nibble a little bit. But with this, I came in, bought 200 shares, and I feel pretty comfortable, even if it goes further from here, 6 to 12 months down the line, we'll be looking at some nice gains. So that's just what I do, guys. All right, now let's look at updates on the options plays. So lots of good movement today. If we look at Tesla, we are now up 37% or $350 on our 195 calls. For M-Phase, we just went positive, 1.27, $45, so not doing anything there yet. Amazon, I probably would have closed these out today. I just was not paying enough attention because we're up 25% or $58 on the first day. Normally my threshold's like 30%, but 25% in one day is never a bad idea if you want to go ahead and close those out. Shopify, we're down 11%, or $7 on our 65 covered calls. We don't have anything on Palantir. And then for Nike, we are up 45% or $112. So we're looking to close those soon, but I never close anything really below 50% unless there's a binary event such as earnings or something coming up soon that could affect that option's price. So we'll leave all those alone for now. All right, looking at the crypto portfolio, up 1%, $680 today. Holding our Bitcoin and Ethereum, sitting at 46,000. And then lastly, little Robinhood today, sitting at 12,100. Buying power is still great on this, pretty much all cash, 10,600. We have our three options here. We're down on our 6.5 SoFi puts, so we're down like 20% on that one. On Unity, I'm kind of disappointed in myself because this has just been an epic fail. I just looked at the Unity chart and it's disgusting, but I knew what I was getting into with this, as it's just a trade. I would say I would cut losses at maybe 25%, but Unity's so oversold right now, it's kind of hard to not expect a bounce soon. And that's normally what happens when you sell, then you go ahead and get a bounce. So we're holding on to that for right now. And our SoFi $7 leaps for January 2026, down 19% on those, but still holding. All right, so stocks on my radar. Still looking at SoFi, Snow, Nike, Starbucks, Boeing, Unity, PayPal, Ulta Beauty, and Salesforce. If I had to pick and choose my top 5 on these as far as could make it into the portfolio, I would say SoFi, Snowflake, and Salesforce, and then probably PayPal and Nike, rounding out the top 5. All the other ones are good entry points, but they are not growth companies per se. They're pretty much just oversold companies that you could swing trade or just add to your long-term portfolio. That's pretty much it for today, guys. I didn't make any options moves today. Just added to those 2 stocks right here. Not much movement. I think we will be in for some volatility in the coming weeks, so I feel pretty good about the cash position right now because I'm sitting on 57,000 worth of cash right here, and so I'm definitely ready to buy any dips, although I feel pretty satisfied where the portfolio is at. If I were to say any positions that I really am looking to add to short term, I would say Tesla, and then keep adding to Shopify and Palantir on any substantial weakness, meaning probably 10% lower than they are now. But I'm pretty satisfied with all of my buy points as of right now. I'm not anxious or not really salivating over any prices that I'm seeing right now. So stay tuned for further updates. I will see you guys probably tomorrow, as I can probably see myself selling some puts if we get another red day tomorrow. So take care and God bless you guys.